So I've made 4 left ones and right ones. So now I'm gonna flip it over to the other side. So we've done the shape now. Now I'm busy making these inserts. So same thing as I showed yesterday, drilling. Then I just basically type in coordinates, press enter, and that's what happens. And they go 3 mil deep, and that's a manual process. So switch it on. Basically, so now I'm just going to take it off and do the others with the same tool, and then come back with the chamfer later. That's basically what it's going to look like. Next one, and the next one, it's right here. So, repeat process. Right. Well, there's so far, right? That's what it looks like now. Now it needs a bit just tidying up, get all the burrs off. Bit of sandblasting with soft garnet, and yeah, we'll see later what it'll look like. So I'm just doing these sort of manually. With one of these little roundy bits. So we'll do the next lot. Another 3 to go. I have made the backing plate and finished with them. Made these spaces. They just drill a hole through them pretty much, certain length. That's the backing block. I made them. That's tapped M6. This is going to be the front plate. While I'm busy with it, it'll go on there. I'm just busy doing these grooves. guys know. I'm going to fit them. So that's the old ones. So that's a bit old, antique. So that's going on. So just sort of went for a motorbike ride, so interrupted my job. But I've done those ones on that side. Putting some on this side. I'll probably talk you through it. So there they are. So the back, this is like the right side obviously, passenger side, but I put these on for the flight instructor because he's quite short, so we'll have the same option to put extender pedals on the side too. So he's got these holes drilled in. It goes on there. That's the plate in the back, the threaded bit, and the screws go in. So there you go. They're all on. There's the pedals. I bolted. That's going to be the permanent fixture. And as you see on that side, those extender bits come off, and you can get longer and shorter pieces put on, or add these up depending on your length. So I'm kind of happy the way it came out. Yeah. So we went from these to that. So now Charmaine just need to test it out. And in case you're wondering, that's the plane. Jabiru that it's going into. Happy flying.